to Smoky Mountain Harley-Davidson. It's time for our Bike of the Week. This week's featured bike is the stunning 2024 Road Glide 3, available in 5 captivating colors: Billiard Gray, Vivid Black, Red Rock, Atlas Silver Metallic, and Sharkskin Blue. You can choose between a sleek chrome or bold black trim to match your style. At its heart is the powerful Milwaukee-Eight 114 cubic inch engine, delivering loads of torque for that on-demand power you can feel with every twist of the throttle. And let's not forget that signature Harley-Davidson sound. The frame-mounted sharknose fairing is designed for high-speed comfort, featuring triple split stream vents to reduce helmet buffeting. Need to carry more? The weatherproof rear trunk with a top-mounted door makes loading and unloading a breeze. Stay connected with the evolved infotainment system. It's got a modern interface, exceptional durability, and features made specifically for motorcycling. Ride in style with big, bold, and beautiful gloss black wheels, 19 inches at the front and 18 inches at the rear. The 2024 Harley-Davidson Road Glide 3 combines the soul of a road glide with the comfort, convenience, and confidence of a three-wheeler. Come see us at Smoky Mountain Harley-Davidson and take a test ride any day of the week. Experience the thrill of the 2024 Road Glide 3 for yourself. Smoky Mountain Harley-Davidson.